Hi, my name's John and I work at Surreal Cereal, and these are my 10 questions.
How would you describe yourself in one word?
Fuckwit. Next question.
Next question. What was your first ever job?
Domino's Pizza.
Where is your favourite place to work?
Innocence Movies office when everyone's hungover.
What does success look like to you?
Just laughs, numbers.
What has been a career highlight so far?
My mum loves the Oxfam virtual Christmas presents where it's like, oh, I've bought you a goat, and I worked on a project to rewrite them. So then I could give her one for Christmas and be like, by the way, I wrote that. Pretty sick.
What's your favourite area of marketing?
I don't know what the areas of marketing are.
If you could only keep one social media platform, what would it be?
I'll burn them all to the ground.
Great.
Maybe 2014 Twitter.
Who is your favourite person to follow on social media?
There's this artist in America called Pablo Rochat or something. He's very weird and silly.
If you didn't work in your current job, what would be your dream job?
Building IKEA flat packs.
Full time?
Yeah.
What piece of advice would you give to your younger self?
Don't get a job in social media.